Are you ready to pucker up for some sunshine in a cookie form? Today we're making lemon crinkle cookies, and let me tell you, these beauties are bursting with lemon flavors and that signature crackle melt in your mouth goodness. Forget store-bought cookies, these are the real deal. Stick around, I'll show you how they're made. Now, don't be intimidated by the fancy name. These babies are surprisingly simple to whip up, even for beginning bakers. There's no fancy equipment needed, just a bowl, a mixer, and maybe a little muscle for rolling out the dough balls. But think of it as arm day. Yeah, so let's grab some lemons and let's bake some sunshine. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And also, give me a thumbs up. First things first, let's get the sugar and butter light and fluffy. Think whipped clouds and a hint of sunshine from the lemon zest. This is where the magic starts. Next, mix in the lemon zest, egg, and vanilla, making sure everything gets nice and cozy together. Don't worry if it looks like it curdled a little, that's just a lemon working its magic. Now it's time to gently fold in the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Just mix until you can't see any more flour. No need to overwork it. Remember, a gentle hand makes happy cookies. Time for a little fridge snooze. Cover the dough and let it rest for at least an hour, or even overnight if you're feeling extra patient. This helps the flavors meld and gives the dough the perfect texture for those signature crackles. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking tray with parchment paper. Now comes the fun part: rolling out the dough and giving it a sugar bath. Roll those dough balls in some regular sugar for a bit of crunch. Then dip in the powdered sugar for that irresistible snowy sparkle. Pop those beauties in the oven and watch them transform into golden, crackly goodness. The kitchen will smell like a dream and your taste buds will thank you later. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes and check at 12 minutes. If the edges are starting to brown, take them out of the oven. Resist the urge to gobble them up straight out of the oven, though we've all been there. Let them cool completely on the tray or on the rack. So there you have it, easy peasy lemon crinkle cookies that are sure to brighten up your day. Remember, that baking is all about having fun and enjoying the process. So crank up the tunes, grab your favorite apron, and get ready to bake some sunshine. If you make these, please leave me a comment below. Let me know how they turned out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and a thumbs up. So good. Thanks again.